Good morning, students. Dear students, I taught you lesson 8, a great leader. In this lesson, I explained you three great leaders of our country: Mahatma Gandhi ji, Lokmanya Tilak, and Savitribai Phule. The exercises part I will give you in your homework app. I have given you extra question and answers. Before I read these questions and answers, I will teach you poem 9, Time for Everything, to read, and also I will give a tune for this poem. Poem 9, Time for Everything. There is a time to run and a time to walk. There is a time for silence, a time for talk. There is a time for work and a time for play. There is a time for sleep at the close of day. There is a time for everything you do, for children and for grown-ups too. A time to stand up and a time to sit. But see that the time and actions fit. Students, I have read this poem for you. Read this poem. I will teach you how to sing this poem with the chorus. Time for everything. There is time to run and time to walk. There is time for silence, a time for talk. There is time for work and a time for play. There is a time for sleep at the close of the day. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. There is a time for everything you do, for children and for grown-ups too. A time to stand up and a time to sit, but see that the time and actions fit. Yes, yes, yes. 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 So, dear children, this is the tune I have put for this poem. You can also learn this poem by heart by singing it. Tomorrow, I will explain you the poem and also I will give you the exercise part. Students, in your English notebook, you have written meanings of lesson 8, a great leader. I have given you extra questions. Question number 1. What do people lovingly call Mahatma Gandhi ji? People lovingly called Mahatma Gandhi ji Bapu or Bapuji. Question 2. How was Mahatma Gandhi ji's war different? Mahatma Gandhi ji did not use arms and weapons like guns, rifles or bombs. Question 3. What did Gandhiji give a lot of importance to? Answer. Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to truth, simplicity and non-violence. Question 4. To whom did King George of England give reception? Answer. King George of England gave a reception to the participants of the conference at his palace. Question 5. What did Gandhiji show all the suppressed people in the world? Answer. Gandhiji showed all the suppressed people in the world the new path of Satyagraha. Question 6. Who were the foremost social reformers who worked for women's right to education? Answer. Mahatma Jyotirao Phule and his wife Savitribai Phule. As I have said, my dear students, I will give you these question answers in your homework app. Copy it down in your notebook with a neat handwriting and learn this poem to read and to sing it also with a tune. This is enough for today. Thank you.